Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's Evan. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Today we're at Lowe's and we're getting a palm tree, a new palm tree actually, and we're going to do that right now. So let's get straight into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and we're going to Lowe's today. We're getting another palm tree. That's all I want to say.
Surfing!
It's pretty early for that.
Oh! Evan, we're getting this one. Look how big it is. Yeah, I know we're getting this guy's pretty big.
You like him?
Palmy's sticking out.
We have the trees, hairs in here. I feel like we're in tropical weather. Palmy, you ready for your new home?
Yes. Yes, Evan. Hey guys, we're back at home and here's our truck. So far so good, and so far here's Palmy. Oh, it is Palmy. Palmy's gonna be living his new life. Here's Palmy out of the truck. Our dog is over here. Here is a boat. He's a shepherd husky, you can tell. And he's not very frustrated. And here is my brother. Evan, say hi.
Hey, bro! Hey, guys. We're going to be going to the skating rink, and we are going to ride our bikes. We got the bikes right here. And we got the GoPros on them, so we're going to get the video on there, and that's going to be fun. And maybe we're going to play at the park, and we're going to have GoPros like with us. We're going to show you what we can do. And well, we're going to see you about 10 or 5 minutes, and let's get straight into the fun.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm riding my bike.